We got some ooh and ah effect up in here, man. Hey, oh, we got the suspension on here. Oh, so we got to look down and look under and all that. Hey, oh, these the big daddies. Is them the Wheelwoods? Wheelwood Big Daddy right there. Y'all see what's going on? Throttle body and everything. QA1 on the suspension. Wheelwood on the brakes. 6 piston. If you can't read the numbers, it say 6 of them. Oh my God.
I got the 45 coming.
Gee. Ooh, with the oohs and the ahs like that. Okay, look, so boom, here we go, man. I ain't even got to ask why because it's right here in my face, man. Y'all see what's going on. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught the video yesterday where we finally took our 131 out again. You guys know it's been pouring down, thunder and storming and everything out here. However, man, my guy Corey SSG pulled up yesterday, got cracking on the bike and everything. We had to show him how to ride that thing because you guys know, man, that thing is a freaking beast. So it was like one of his first few times on the Harleys, man. So we just got to show him what we're capable of. Meanwhile, today is a new day, man. It's still dried up out here, man. So I'm actually about to go take this Lambo truck to the dealer. I gotta go get some new tires. I gotta go get an oil change. Then from there, I gotta go down to Done by D, check on our Monte Carlo, because I think it's actually just about finished up, man. So I can't wait to check that out with you guys, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys are just now tuning in and you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Yay giveaway, man, you guys know we got our brand new 2023 F450 dually truck paired together with first place with our 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. However, we got another first place option. You'll have the chance at winning our 2020 wide body Daytona and our 2021 CVO Road Glide together. So you either have the option to win a truck and a bike or a car and a bike. You'll be able to choose when you win first place. Meanwhile, second place, you guys know we got our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk back here. That'll compare together with second place with a 2018 Road King with all of everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint and the whole 124, man. I can't wait to see that thing back here and get that thing sideways for y'all, man. Meanwhile, third place, you guys know we just picked up a 2021 Road Glide Limited, and I think it's not going to be born for long, man. You guys know we got the whole 131 we putting on that thing, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy you either an Everything Regular hat or a sticker. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. Just for buying a hat today, man, you get 100 entries per hat purchase. 100 entries per hat purchase today, and today only, man. Just by buying a sticker, you get 10 entries, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. You can go either get you a sticker or a hat. Buying a hat will get you 100 entries. Buying a sticker will get you 10 entries, man. Make it make sense. You guys might as well go get the hat while you can before they are all sold out, man. You never know. We could be pulling up to Yodo, wherever you at, or you could be coming out here to Houston taking delivery of either your car, truck, bike, whatever you want. You guys know what time it is. Head on over to everythingregular.com. Meanwhile, let's get this day started, man. It's moving. Alrighty, guys. You guys know we got this thing about almost a year ago, or at least a half a year ago. I don't even know how long it's been, but we drove this thing to LA and we've been dogging it ever since, man. And the tires are finally freaking bald. And not only that, man, we also got to get an oil change and some more, man. So while it's not raining right now, because as soon as it rains, man, this thing is scary to drive. I ain't gonna hold you. That's how bald these tires are. That's how bald the tires are, man. They be like, don't get a Lambo if you can't afford it. Yeah, tires is expensive because you can't just buy regular tires. I wanted to get some rims for it, but like I said, I'm gonna wait to that. I'm not even really worried about rims. I just want this thing to ride nice and smooth, man. We gotta keep it going. So we're gonna take this to the dealer, and then after we see how long it's gonna be there, we'll pull up on Done by D and see what's good. Y'all know my guy brought me back something special, man. Let's see what we got. I know y'all remembering.
We got a little reason to ride.
Reason to ride, man. Y'all see what's going on. So this is coming up next month.
This coming up this month.
Are you gonna go?
June. Right.
Are you ready to go or what? Let's see the back of it, man. Let me grab the bottom. Okay, bet. Reason to ride. Where's this gonna be at?
In Connecticut.
Reason to ride in Connecticut, man. We just might have to pull up and see what's up, man.
Disabled American vets. All the money goes to the veterans. So.
Okay, bet. Well, if y'all anywhere on the East Coast, man, y'all go down to the Reason to Ride in Connecticut. Y'all know where it's gonna be. If y'all don't, all you guys gotta do is hashtag it. I'm sure you'll be able to find it, man. My guy just brought the shirt back for me. I can't wait to ride that. Well, rock that when I ride. How about that?
There you go.
My guy, it's love. I appreciate that, man.
And this is from my boy Snuffy.
Snuffy
Smith says give it to you.
Hey, Snuffy, hey, man, good looking out, man. I definitely appreciate you. I definitely appreciate you. My guy has delivered, and I'm about to rock it, man. I actually got dressed for the day, but I would've rocked it today. But tomorrow, it's love, man. It looked like the sun gonna be out a little bit longer, so we still got time to shine.
You got it.
My guy, I appreciate you, man. It's love. Thank you.
All right, brother.
Y'all see what's going on, man. You gotta support one another and keep going, man. It's love.
All right.
Just like that, guys, we just pulled up to Lamborghini. My guy Steve gonna get us right. You see, we gotta be real gangster, man. We got the bandana around the steering wheel like we stole it. But y'all see it here first, man. It's time to go up time to get this thing back A1, new tires, get the inside and everything clean. So y'all see what it is. And they got the STO right here, man. So we gonna get this thing cracking. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks, man, appreciate it. Ooh, they got the GT3 right here. Gene, I was just looking up a GT3.
Man, what's the deal?
Man, what's up with you, man? How you doing?
What do you think about the GT3?
I'm loving it, bro. I just got back from Miami and that's all I was seeing it. Yeah, I was loving it, bro.
Awesome. Let me take this quick.
Yeah, it's all good. Look at this thing right here, dog. This thing is so freaking spicy. Oh my Lord. I was literally just looking up one of these. And this color right here is just oh so spicy. Oh my Lord. Y'all let me know they got the old Gallardo. We don't really want the old Gallardo. They got the Demon. Don't want no Americanized Demon. But they got this nice blue and gray STO. I'm not gonna hold you. This thing is sick right here. This color scheme is just something different, bro. It looked like hyper speed. They got the McLarens. Big Daddies on the Big Daddies. Big Daddies on the Big Daddies. Oh, they done already sold it. Let's see what else we got up in here. They got the M8 outside, but the big Cullinan. I got the squeaky shoes on today. Cullinan. Oh, I haven't seen this one yet. Good morning, how you doing? Great, can't be better. Look at this blue window. Oh my Lord. Yeah, that blue one is killing. That blue one is killing. And they got the blue caps on there. I like that red, blue, and white though. Oh my God. This color combination is so raw. I gotta see the sticker on this. What do they want? 423, but golly, this thing is nice. I ain't gonna hold you, that thing is so sick. That thing is so sick. Now they got the Wraith, but my guy Mo over there, they got the joints. Oh, look at the color on this Lamb right here. Ooh, it's not even purple. It's like a flip type color. Definitely like a flip type color. Look at the freaking inside of that bad boy. Up in there, all the oohs and the ahs. They got the Lamborghini motorcycle. Admire, but please do not touch. They got the Lamborghini bike. Now, y'all know I got the red years, but this orange years is just, oh, so freaking neat. It's already sold. Already sold. I'm sure they gonna come pick it up in a couple days or so. And we gonna be seeing this thing out here sliding and gliding. Meanwhile, man, we just made it back to the house. So I was gonna take the vet, but it looked like it might rain again. And I ain't trying to get stuck in no flood. So the Trackhawk it is, I'm pulling that thing out. Y'all know what time it is. I got the freaking wide body thing moved out the way. And just like that, guys, we done pulled up to Done by D with the Done by D, man. Come on, man, with the oohs and the ahs, man. You know what time it is, man. He up under here getting to work. I got twin in the cup. What's up, man?
Going, yeah. What's going on?
Going, yeah. You know what time it is or what, yeah? I got the guy himself down there. What's up, man?
What's going on?
Covered in oil or what?
Oh, yeah, man.
Man, y'all see what's going on, man.
I got 2 in the morning placing orders, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, my Lord. This guy is crazy, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Oh, damn. We got some ooh and ah effect up in here, man. We got some ooh and ah effect back here. Ooh. Ooh. We got some ooh and ah effect up in here.
Yeah, I got a clear lead. I got the lead on top of it.
Oh, so tell me what we got here, man. I know I caught you off guard, man.
Oh, yeah, it sounds good. Shit, I got the QA one all the way around.
Ooh, QA. Oh, we got the suspension on here? Oh, so we got to look down and look under and all that, huh?
You got the 3
Okay. Oh, these the big daddies. Is them the Wheelwoods? Oh, yeah, man. Them the big daddies. Front and back. Let me see. I can probably scoot around the other side, man. Oh yeah, we might need the lizard.
Wheelwood master cylinder on there.
Wheelwood, Big Daddy right there. Y'all see what's going on? Gloss blacked up,
Everything gonna be
everything.
nice and neat, you know what I'm saying? Got some of the wires tucked. I gotta come back with the rest of them.
Oh, we got
I am gonna put this right here like I said. You know what I'm saying? So it will fit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get a little bracket made to where you just had it like the little screw top up here.
So we got a new throttle body and everything.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna take it back off because I'm gonna paint this.
Okay, gotcha.
So I'm gonna take all that back off.
Nice. Okay, okay.
Nice and neat.
We got that thing in there so far. It's looking good. I ain't gonna hold you. It's looking good, man. Y'all see the new things on here. We got suspension, we got brakes, QA1 on the suspension, Wheelwood on the brakes, 6 piston. If you can't read the numbers, it say 6 of them, man. Y'all know what time it is. All the oohs and the ahs, front and backs for the front and backs, QA all around. Literally, if I look under the car, okay, if I look under the car, you see it. If I look under the car, you see it. All QA1 with the Big Daddy Wheelwoods front and back, man. Y'all see what time it is. Got that whole thing switched over and ready to go. Old motor out, new motor in. It's time to go. Yay, man. Oh my God.
I got the 45 coming.
Gee.
Coming this way, and then boom.
Ooh, with the oohs and the ahs like that. Oh yeah, that's hard. Yeah, now that's hard. I like that. That's definitely different. That looks spot on. I like that, man. Y'all see that? Y'all didn't even see the details. So the lines in the car,
For sure.
match the lines on the lid, man. Real ooh and ah effect, man. Y'all stay tuned. I cannot wait. I'm excited. I'm excited. So it looked like we only got a few more days then, huh?
Oh yeah, yeah.
A few more days. It look real good. See, you be working when everybody be sleeping, so
That's the trick.
next thing you know, this thing gonna be on the road sliding sideways.
At 2 o'clock in the morning.
At 2 in the morning, man. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I can't wait. The old school Big Daddy is coming out to play real soon, man. Alrighty, guys. Now that we went and checked out the Monte Carlo, we actually went and grabbed some food. Bomb Jamaican food, by the way. Now we're actually about to go check on our F450 dually truck up here at Audio Boss, man. So let's go up there, see what the truck is looking like, and see if we got motion, man. I was trying to wait till it was all complete to show you, but we will have to see, man. I'm tired of waiting, so let's check it out. Alrighty, guys. So y'all know what time it is, man. We just pulled up to Audio Boss. I got the big track in the back. They got another camo track over there. Some more of the ooh and ahs. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Mr. Twin, we meet again.
Hey, how's it going, my guy?
Seen this guy like 3 times today.
Hey.
3 times today. We're on the same path. Ooh, they got that blue thing looking real nice and blue. My guy. Oh, they're wiring up sounds today, huh? Yeah. Big Daddy music or what? Damn, it looks like a lot of amperage here.
Hell yeah.
A lot of amperage. What size speakers is he going?
It's 2/8.
2/8, that's it?
That's enough.
He doing all this for 2/8?
It's enough, those 2/8.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
Bro, this look like he about to do like 315s or something.
2 fucking my little baby eggs.
Yeah? Oh my God.
Hey, and probably beat so goddamn hard.
You think so?
You see what's over there?
Yeah, I seen he got airbags and everything on his.
No, I'm talking about on the table. You see that?
I didn't even notice this was my stuff. I'm like, he got airbags and everything over there. Look, huh? Okay, look, so boom, here we go, man. I ain't even gotta ask why, because it's right here in my face, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see the whole color match, ooh and ah effect on there, man. Y'all see what's going on. I can't wait. Ooh, and it feels wonderful. It feels wonderful, man. Yeah, that's hard. Now, I don't know what pieces is these, but that one look like a front bumper. These other ones, I couldn't tell you. But all in all, yeah, it does look cool, though. Y'all get an idea of how we coming. Because if we step over yonder,
It's right there, stripped apart.
y'all see what's going on, man. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. Getting everything situated. Yes, sir, this is what it's looking like. So, y'all know when we come back and we get the wheels and everything, it will be A1 and ready to go. Can't wait, man. I'm excited. Let's see. Okay. Y'all see it? So probably maybe tomorrow or Friday. I don't know if today's Thursday or not. I've been going and going and going, so maybe in the next couple days, more or less. So I can't wait. Literally excited. Brand new Big Daddy ready to go up. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We finally checked out the Monte Carlo, man, and that thing is looking freaking extraordinary. We got brand new suspension, brakes, brand new motor, supercharger, everything on there brand new, the whole oohs and ahs and all that, man. We still got a lot more to go, man, so stay tuned for that build. It is almost done. We should be firing that thing up today, if not tomorrow, and then heading to the tune to get that thing situated, man. So I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned for that. Meanwhile, man, we also went to go check out our F450. Now, our wheels is done. However, they did do them wrong, so I don't know if they're gonna like do them the way I need them to, or we're gonna have to figure something else out, man. Meanwhile, Juan is just about done with the color match parts and all that, man, so I can't wait to pick up that thing in a couple days. Meanwhile, man, we had a blast in our Trackhawk, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, you guys know what time it is. You guys know we got our brand new 2023 F450 dually truck paired together with first place with our 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck, the bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. Not only do we got this first place option, but you guys see we got our 2020 wide body Daytona Hellcat number 499 of 501. This will be paired together with our 2021 CVO as well, man. So you either have the option at winning either a brand new 2023 F450 and a bike, or our wide body Hellcat and a bike, man. The choice is yours for first place. Meanwhile, you guys know we got second place, which is our 2019 Jeep Trackhawk over there, the one with all the everything regular oohs and ahs in real life. That'll be paired together with second place with our 2018 Road King, the one with the oohs and ahs. We sent that thing off to get the whole 124 and all that, so that thing will be back in a couple days or so. Meanwhile, man, you guys know we got third place, our 2021 Road Glide Limited, the one that didn't look like so much, but we putting the 131 on it, so it's turning out to be one of the best of the best. Yeah, that one, man. You guys know we are giving away first, second, and third, man. I can't wait. We are almost at that time to shine, man. So with that being said, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, head on over to everythingregular.com right now. Go copy you either Everything Regular hat or a sticker, either one to gain you entry into the giveaway, man. Just for buying the hat, you get 100 entries today. Just for buying a sticker, you get 10 entries, man. Make it make sense. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now and go support your boy, because you never know, man. We could be pulling up to your door with one of these bikes, or you could be coming out here to Houston taking delivery of one of these cars, truck, bikes, or even like multiple prizes, man. The choice is yours. Head on over to everythingregular.com right now. I definitely appreciate each and every one of you. In the meantime, man, I want to thank everybody, man. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.